Hi, I'm Afton Brazzoni, founder of Scribe National. Today, I want to talk about setbacks. My family has experienced some particularly difficult ones over the past week. And given everything that's going on in the world right now, maybe yours has too. If that's the case, I see you. Setbacks in our personal lives can creep into our professional lives, and vice versa. The traditional notion of work-life balance has changed dramatically for many people over the years. So we need to be aware of how one area affects the other. Sometimes we get stuck in our setbacks. Other times we're highly motivated to overcome them, and we do just that. But what I want to focus on is the part before all of that, before we either forge ahead or we get stuck. It's the part where we acknowledge what has happened, the pain that it has caused. We don't try to sweep it under the rug. We sit with it for a while. Why do that? Well, I believe that we can serve others best when we're honest about what is going on for ourselves. Bosses, colleagues, clients, they're all human. It's okay and acceptable to show humanity in business. One of the core values of Scribe National is excellence, and another is authenticity, because the more authentic we are in our relationships, the better we can serve others. If you have tips or tools for how you navigate setbacks and how you continue to thrive during these times in your business or career, I would love to hear them. So you can just go ahead and share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.